हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आइए, आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है एक और नई वीडियो में। वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन आज का टॉपिक है। वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन के अंतर्गत लिस्ट ऑफ लॉजी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। डर्मेटोग्लिफिक्स। डर्मेटोग्लिफिक्स द स्टडी ऑफ स्किन पैटर्न्स एंड fingerprints. Dermatology, study of skin. Desmology, study of ligaments. Diabology, study of devils. Diagraphics, art of making diagrams or drawings. Dialectology, study of dialects. Dioptrics, study of light refraction. Diplomatics, science of deciphering ancient writing and text. Diplomatology, study of diplomats. Docimology, the art of assaying. Dosiology, the study of dosage. Dramaturgy, art of producing and staging dramatic works. Dysgenics, the study of racial degeneration. Dysteleology, study of purposeless organs. Ecclesiology, study of church affairs. Ecrinology, study of excretion. Ecology, study of environment. Economics, study of material wealth. Edaphology, study of soils. Egyptology, study of ancient Egypt. Acoustics, study of human settlement. Electrochemistry, study of relations between electricity and chemicals. Electrology, study of electricity. Electrostatics, study of static electricity. Embryology, study of embryos. Emetology, study of omitting. Immunology, the study of menstruation. Endemiology, study of local diseases. Endocrinology, study of glands. Enigmatology, study of enigmas. Entomology, study of insects. Enzymology, study of enzymes. Ephiatrics, branch of medicine dealing with the adolescents. Epidemiology, study of diseases, epidemics. Epileptology, study of epilepsy. Epistemology, study of grounds of knowledge. Eremology, study of deserts. Ergology, study of effects of work on humans. Ergonomics, study of people at work. Scapology, study of freeing oneself from constraints. Eschatology, study of death, final matters. Ethnogeny, study of origins of races or ethnic groups. Ethnology, study of cultures. Ethnomethodology, study of everyday communication. इथनोम्यूजिकोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ कंपैरेटिव म्यूजिकल सिस्टम। ईथोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ नेचुरल और बायोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर। इथोनॉमिक्स, स्टडी ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एंड इथिकल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ए सोसाइटी। ईटियोलॉजी, द साइंस ऑफ काजेज स्पेशली ऑफ डिजीज। इटाइमोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ ओरिजिन्स ऑफ वर्ड्स। यूथेनिक्स, साइंस concerned with improving living conditions. Exobiology, study of extraterrestrial life. Floristry, the art of cultivating and selling flowers. Fluviology, study of water courses. Folkloristics, study of folklore and fables. Futurology, study of future. Garbology, study of garbage. Gastroenterology, study of stomach, intestine. Gastronomy, study of fine dining. Gemology, study of gems and jewels. Genealogy, study of descent of families. Genesiology, study of reproduction and heredity. Genethliology, the art of casting horoscopes. Geochemistry, study of chemistry of the earth's crust. Geochronology, study of measuring geological time. Geogeny, science of the formation of the earth crust. Geogony, study of formation of the earth. Geography, study of surface of the earth and its inhabitants. Geology, study of earth's crust. Geomorphogeny, study of the origins of landforms. Geoponics, study of agriculture. Geotechnics, study of increasing habitability of the earth. Gerontology, study of decadence and decay. Gerontology, study of old age. Gerontology, study of the elderly aging. Gigantology, study of giants. Glaciology, study of ice age and glaciation. Glossology, study of language, study of the tongue. Glyptography, the art of engraving on gems. Glyptology, study of gem engravings. Mnemonics, the art of measuring time using sundials. Gnoseology, study of knowledge, philosophy of knowledge. Notobiology, study of life in germ-free conditions. Graminology, study of grasses. Grammatology, study of system of writing. Graphemics, study of system of representing speech in writing. Graphology, study of handwriting. Grammatics, science of surveying.